Do you need to start driving traffic to your shop so you can finally start making sales? Today I'm sharing with you guys several unique ways in which you can start driving traffic to your shop. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. In today's video, I am sharing with you guys several different ways in which you can start driving traffic to your online business. I'm excited to share these ideas with you guys because there are several unique different ways that I personally didn't really know of or understand until I did more research. And so I'm really excited to share them with you because they're ways that have helped me drive traffic to my own business as well. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump on into it. My first suggestion is one that I want to talk about, but may not necessarily apply if you are watching this video literally the day I upload it, because we are in the midst of a global pandemic and a lot of places are not doing a ton of in-person things. This might be something you have to wait on, as a lot of events are canceling or rescheduling for later in the year or in 2021. However, they are still an awesome idea, and it is pop-ups. Yes, pop-ups are essentially places, events, or markets or areas in which you can bring your shop and put a pop-up. So you are selling in person and you are offering your products to people in person. So if you are an e-commerce website or business, then this is going to be a great option for you because you can actually build a growing and following with people in your area from where you're from or from like your state or somewhere nearby. This is a great way to grow your following online as well, because when someone can see and feel your product in person, they're going to be more likely to buy online as well. Pop-ups are something that I personally have not done yet, but I'm really excited to start doing at the end of this year and also in 2021. I have already applied for several different pop-up vendors and events and things that are going to be going on, especially around Christmas time, because that's going to be the biggest time to sell in person. My second idea would be to reach out to influencers or start a collab with another business. For example, a great collab might be you reaching out to a local hairstylist and asking to put a rack of your clothing from your boutique line in their store. Or if you are a hairstylist, perhaps you're leaving your cards or business cards with someone else's table at a pop-up. Maybe you host a small event where several small businesses come together and you're all hosting the event together to allow people to come in and shop and have like a girls' day experience. I think collabs are a great way to help grow your business and to drive traffic, because you can actually work with other businesses and other people to help drive that traffic. Their followers and their favorite fans are going to be coming to your website and your items and coming to check them out, and vice versa. So you're helping someone else and they're helping you, and it's a win-win for both teams. Influencers are a whole nother ball game, but they're definitely still in that same category as collabing, because you are offering them an item or service that they think is going to be helpful for their followers and their fans. And so they're getting to share that item, whether it's a physical product or a service, and you are then in turn getting their traffic. So they're helping to drive traffic to your website or your social pages and helping you grow your following and sales as well. Now, you need to do your research on influencing, because this can be kind of tricky, because a lot of influencers these days are really smart with how they're doing their business, and as they should be, because their time and effort spent in making their content is absolutely worth you paying for, depending on their size and engagement. Keep that in mind though, whenever you are planning out working with influencers. I would definitely set a budget and pick a couple of influencers who are in your niche or your market, or who have followings or followers that are going to be interested in what you're selling. My next idea for driving traffic, this is a big one that I always talk about here on my channel, and it is Pinterest. Guys, Pinterest is a gold mine. If you want to drive traffic without having a large following already, then you need to go and check out Pinterest. I actually have an entire video all about how I use Pinterest to grow my business and to drive traffic. I'm gonna link it up here for you guys as well as down below, but this video has a lot more information and details all about how to use Pinterest and the different strategies that will help drive traffic. The number one way in which I drive traffic though with Pinterest is through a thing called group boards. Group boards are essentially a board where multiple pinners can pin to it. So whenever you are pinning to these boards, you are not only getting your followers to see the item, item, but you are also getting all of the followers of the group board and potentially followers from the other pinners in the group. Because if someone is repinning your item from that group board, their followers are going to see it as well. It really increases your chance of going viral on Pinterest, and this is honestly one of the best strategies to driving traffic. Finding these group boards can be really difficult though, and very, very time consuming, and you can't just go and search for them and hope that they pop up. There's not a way to search group boards in Pinterest. So what I have done is created a list of over 100 different Pinterest group boards for people who sell on Etsy or even small businesses. It would work for both cases. I will link it up here if you guys can go and check that out after this video. It's always linked down below as well. And if you're not sure how Pinterest works and you kind of need a more helpful tutorial or guide or somewhere to really start, I have also a mini Pinterest course where I talk about setting up your Pinterest profile, how to actually pin, and how to use these group boards, which again, I'll link up here and down below because they are tools that you guys have asked for in previous videos. So I finally made them and I want to bring them to you to share. My next idea is using TikTok. Yes, guys, I am on the TikTok bandwagon. I have loved TikTok and I have been using it since like well before fall of 2019. I like to think I was ahead of the trend here because all of my friends used to say it was weird or cringy, but now they're all on it. And I'm like, what I tell you, it's addicting and it's so fun. What's great about TikTok is that you have such a high chance of being able to go viral literally without having a following at all. I have literally spent the past week and a half to 2 weeks growing my boutique's TikTok page, and I have over 11,000 followers now and probably a lot more by the time this video goes up. So it just goes to show that if you're consistent on TikTok and you're uploading every day over there, showing people the behind the scenes of your business, making any items that you might sell in your business, showing new listings, new arrivals, how to style, wear, use your products, people love that literally so much. Like, I cannot stress to you that if you are a new business and you want to grow quick, try TikTok. I'm gonna be making an entire video on this very, very soon once I have more experience using it myself. Obviously, I've used it a ton just to watch videos, but I'm currently growing my business page for my business, and I'm also growing a lifestyle and personal page, which I'll link my personal one down below for you guys, as well as my business one if you wanna go and check it out, okay? Because those are going to be super duper fun. You can go and use them, get really cool ideas from me, and start making your own. Literally though, there are people who have gone viral overnight on TikTok and totally not even expected it because one of their videos got picked up in the algorithm and they ended up having like hundreds to thousands of sales overnight. So yeah, it's definitely a good option. Like I said, new video is going to be coming out soon all about that, so stick around for that. Like I said though, a new video is going to be coming out about that very soon, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel and turn on the bell notification so you can get notified when it happens. My next idea is to focus on social media in general and use your social media to cross promote your business. So whether this is your personal account and you want to share to your friends and families or people that you have met before online, this is a great way to do so. Share with them the behind the scenes, what's going on, your tips and tricks and things that you have learned along the way, how you make your items or how you source them, organize them, list them. Show them the behind the scenes. People love to see that, like so much, you guys. Show them on your Instagram, on your TikTok, or even create a YouTube channel. Yes, YouTube is another great platform to drive traffic and sales to your business. Even if your YouTube channel is not monetized and you don't even have 1,000 subscribers, you can be making sales, which make those videos worth it, guys. Starting a YouTube channel and starting an Instagram and social media following, yeah, they do take some time, but I'm telling you, when you build them up, they can start making you money, guys. You are going to start getting sales like crazy. Do it. I promise you won't regret it. My next idea for you guys to drive traffic to your website is by using giveaways, okay? Giveaways are really easy ways to build your following and get people onto your website and looking at your products. Giveaways can be as simple as tagging your friends and family members in a post on social. That will encourage other people to come and check out your social media and come and follow you or check out your website. You could have people post a screenshot of their favorite item that they could win if they were in the giveaway. You could have them share it on their Instagram stories, on their Facebook pages. You could have them make a video on TikTok. You can really get creative with giveaways, and it's a great way to grow your following and get people involved. You could even collab and team up with other businesses that have similar niches or markets as you do, but not necessarily the same product, and combine your things together to create a big giveaway where everyone has to follow all of the accounts across the board and interact with them. And my last and final idea for you guys is to think about your actual platform on which you are selling. So if you are on a website and you have your own Shopify page, for example, and you're not seeing traffic, consider some other e-commerce platforms. Things like Poshmark, eBay, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, Amazon. There are so many different marketplaces that you can sell your items, especially if you have a physical product. Get creative, think about the different platforms you're selling on, and start making sales across the board. Diversifying the different platforms on which you sell will help to really bump up the number of sales you're making and help it become more substantial and more consistent. Question of the day for you guys. I want to know, which one of these are you going to start implementing right away within your business? Let me know down below in the comments. I will be responding to all of the comments on this video within the first 24 hours. So make sure you leave your comment down below. I cannot wait to hear from you guys. I'm going to be listing for you guys another video that I think you're going to want to go and check out next. This is going to be all about Pinterest, so you can get more information on it. I'm also going to put a playlist right here for you guys, so you can go and check out more videos like this one if you want to binge watch my content. And I'm going to put my subscribe button so you can stick around on this channel. And lastly, guys, I have a second channel where I am posting more lifestyle and vlog content. So if you guys want to follow me over there, I'm going to put it right here for you as well. And without further ado, guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.